happen if a talking sock made a show with just Amiibo?
And now it's time for Frizzy's Silly Amiibo Theater, starring Frizzy.
Episode 1, Yoshi's Pudding Mystery.
Oh no! Whatever will I do? What's the matter, Blue Yarn Yoshi? Somebody ate my delicious pudding! Ah! Whoever could that be? Wait. Are those pudding tracks? Excuse me. Bark, bark! Poochie, you did it! You found Bowser Jr., who ate all the pudding! Wait, what? 3 cheers for Poochie! Yay! High five!
Episode 2, Ain't No Party Like a Tom Nook Party.
Thanks for coming to my party! Ain't no party like a Tom Nook party! So, who's gonna go next? It's Bowser Jr.'s turn! Alright, fine. Okay, what am I? Meow. A dog! A dolphin! What? No! Meow! 3 pillows! No! A watermelon? No idea! I'm a cat! How could you not get that? You're a mailbox! Oh, I'm taking my bean dip and leaving! Why do I even come with these things?
Episode 3, Bowser Jr., can I borrow some?
Mario, what do you want? Hey, Bowser Jr., can I borrow some eggs? I guess. Excellent. Hey, Bowser Jr., just borrowing this mixing bowl. Wait, thanks.
You can go to the store and get...
Hey, Bowser Jr., you don't mind if I borrow this milk, do you? Thanks. Bowser Jr., just borrowing the sugar. Bye. Do you have any idea what time it is? What are you doing with all that stuff anyway? We're making your birthday cake, silly. But it's not my birthday. It's not? Quick question. Mind if we buy some cake? I hate birthdays. Now I have no milk, no eggs.
Episode 4, Mario's Painting Masterpiece.
Okay, everyone, find a partner and start painting their picture. Oh, Bowser Jr., pick me. Sure. Okay, now turn to your good side. What, like this? Try your other side. Your other side. Gross. Slide back. More, less, more. Now? Yeah, but like better. Oh, just paint me already. All right, paintbrushes down. Done. What? How? It's easy if you're not dancing around the whole time, silly. I'm taking this.
Episode 5, Amiibo Dance Party.
Oh yeah, DJ Gardy Guard in the house. I'm a horse. We're having fun. Hey, Bowser Jr., check out my sweet dance moves. Put your hands in the air. Go, Mario. Go. That's nothing. Check this out. Hey, what? Go, Bowser Jr. Go, Bowser Jr. No, this isn't good music. Sure it is. Now watch me. Break dance. Go, Mario. Hey, no fair. Okay, now it's my turn. Hey, no. Are you kidding me? I am out of here. Get out of my way. Awkward. Go. Nee. Forgot my jacket. Oh, come on.
Episode 6, Work of Potato?
And in this exhibit, we see a painting called The Potato. Inspired. It's perfection. So exclusive. That's not impressive. That's just a lame potato. Oh, Bowser Jr., the potato only looks real because it is real. No. Look at it from this angle. it seem like you can reach out and touch it? Because you can! Look! See? Ooh! Ah! It's just a potato! What if that's what the artist wanted you to think? This is ridiculous! I am so out of here! Moving along. Oh, wait. This is the painting of the potato. I don't know what that other thing was. It's a potato! Potato!
Episode 7. Bowser Jr. plays hide and seek.
Ah, what a nice day. Just me, myself, and this Mushroom Kingdom burger. Bowser Jr. Oh, hey, Mario. Want to play hide and seek with us? No. Please? No. Please? No. Please? No. Please? Come on, Bowser Jr.
Dude, come on.
Let me get this straight. I close my eyes and count to 10, and you all disappear? Uh-huh. Okay, fine. 10, 9, 8, 7. I hope you're far away by now. 6, 5. Okay, I'm done with it. What? Why are you all so here? I didn't know you were starting yet. Could you do it again?
And now on to episode 8.
This is Expert Unboxing with Frizzy.
Yeah, it's me, Frizzy! Your best friend. We got 2 amiibo here. Check it out. A Goomba amiibo, and we got a Koopa Troopa amiibo. Ooh! Ah! Smells good. This is gonna be great. Get over here. Hey, don't do this. Not me. I can almost see it. Okay. I need some help. Ooh, you're ferocious. That's 2 amiibo.